As the NVQJ speaks, it delineates every unit of performance that you can do on the task, that the employer can see exactly what you were exposed to and that you were deemed competent. There's no questions about it. And in our programs, we teach you the codes and the programs using different softwares, how you can use your remote to control light and to monitor the light and to determine what levels of illuminance it dissipates at certain time based on your need. So those programs are with us now. Renewable energy, we are there. We are set up on the outside, you can see, and everyone now is getting into renewable energy. Similar to how we started in 1893 with the generation, everybody is trying their own little thing now with renewable energy. And everywhere you go, almost everyone here have some form of renewable energy, sourcing something inside their home, whether it's your perimeter light or your garden light, your alley light, moving from renewable energy sources. And then we have, of course, the traditional industrial electronics and electrical maintenance, electrical installation, and so on. And of course, the powerful one, electrical inspection. And that's the one we love, right? Right. JPS, we have a number of persons who are participating in those programs, and it's tied to becoming a number of things. Whether you want to privatize or you want to use it to strengthen the regulatory components to enhance the work that you do, we offer this program now up to level 5.